In this tutorial, we will see that why your Telegram channel revenue is zero. So let's dive right in. So firstly, open your favorite browser and search for Ads Telegram. Open the first website of the URL ads.telegram.org. Open it and then simply you can log into your account, write your number and click next. After confirming your account, it will show you this create a new ad. Click on that now. So here we are in Telegram advertiser website. You can find here option target specific channels. Whenever they create ads for Telegram channels, they target specific channels for their niche. Like for example, if someone want to promote their basketball niche channel, then they will only advertise their ad in their niche channels and the specific targeted channels. And people only target popular channels. If your channel is not popular, so they may not target you for advertising to show ads on your Telegram channel. So in other case, if your Telegram channel show ads and it's still not showing a revenue in monetization tab, so the reason is Telegram shares only 50% of the revenue from the ad displayed on your channel. So in that time, Telegram ignores small channels and only target the most popular channels. So that's why your Telegram channel revenue is zero. So these were the some of reasons that why your Telegram channel revenue is zero.